Hey guys, it's Trippy. Welcome to the video. This video I actually recorded, I believe it was the first week of the lockdown. I went for a walk to Tehidy Woods with just myself and Lisa. It's not a place I'd normally go to record or ever plan to feature on the channel, just because for me, Tehidy Woods isn't what it used to be when I was a kid. I used to love going there. It sort of seemed like this amazing place. But now I consider it like the Newquay of the woods area. So like Newquay, you've got like all these like amazing views, but because it's how busy and crazy it is there, it's kind of spoiled it a bit. And for me, Tehidy Woods is like that, where you'll be like walking and enjoying the views, and then all of a sudden you'll come across a tree that's covered in blue bags, and inside the blue bags, if you've been there, you'll know is dog poop. So that's just what you want to see when you're trying to clear your head. But it's still, hopefully I got some nice views, and there are like animals and all there. Unfortunately, there seems to be more seagulls than ducks now. But there are like squirrels that will come like running up to you because they know to expect food from people, and they will like give you like a hand, a bit of a sniff. So that's kind of cool. And say it is the woods, so there are some nice spots, but it's just not a place I plan to visit or at least record. I picked it purely because it was close enough to where I live, where I can record it, and if I am stopped by the police, I can say, well, I'm doing my exercise. But videos probably are going to be a bit few and far between for the foreseeable future, at least like a month or so, I'd say. Just because me and Connor live, like, I'd say about 45 minutes away from each other. So if I was to drive to Connor or vice versa, and we were stopped by the police, more than likely one of us or both of us would get in trouble. So I'm being a bit wary of that, and obviously I don't want to get too much into the talk of the virus, but there's that as well. And because of where I work and stuff, that it's not worth the risk. So I will try and get out when I can, but obviously I am kind of limited to where I can go without potentially getting in trouble for it. So no idea when the next video will be or where it will be. I may have to retrace my steps for places I've been recently, which is like kind of close to home. So hopefully this is a decent enough video, but I promised I wouldn't do as many update videos because I felt like every video I was doing recently was like, hey, just a heads up, now I'm doing this, and then the following video was, oh yeah, by the way, now I'm going to do this instead. I just wanted to sort of get back to the basics of, here's this like great place we're going to visit, but because of the times at the minute, oh, there goes my phone. Because of the times at the minute, I had to sort of, I felt like I just wanted to like update you guys and finally get this video up on YouTube. So yeah, with all that, hopefully you guys enjoy it, and hopefully I'll catch you very soon with the next one. Cheers. You can tell I've watched too many horror movies when this feels like I'm entering like the witches' territory. So they've got little like stalls in there, like little chairs made from old tree stumps. Wanna jump on my coat, do you? He's a very chubby little git, isn't he? You can tell he's been being fed. God, he is a junker.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, fat boy. He's like, hey, you ain't got food, I'm not interested.
That was nuts to me.
It is weird to have a squirrel come up and sniff your hand like a cat or a dog. Has he only got 3 legs, or is he just hiding his paw?
I don't know.
Oh, he's tucked it in.
You hurt him.
No, he's just chilling. There you go. This was the finish line when I had to do that thing for cadets. We had the, I can't remember if we started over there, we had the telegraph pole with like 2 barrels. I had to like carry them through a swamp, like waist deep in our muddy water. And then up this. That was a couple of them. They're both having a good old nibble. Yeah.